Making money online is becoming increasingly popular. You only need a smartphone and an internet connection for many of these alternatives. Take a look if you want to discover how to get $200 in a hurry. Number 1. Nielsen panel on computers and mobile devices. Do you enjoy surfing the web? Then you can get $50 from Nielsen computer and mobile panel per year. Nielsen is a fantastic website that will pay you $50 every year to keep their app or software installed on your internet searching gadgets. They do this in order to gain a better understanding of computer and mobile trends. It could be a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. It makes no difference which electronic device you use. Simply download the app and keep it installed all year to receive the cash each year. They usually conduct $10,000 monthly sweepstakes for PC users, and if you install the software on your laptop or PC, you can win up to $500 per month. Number 2, Swagbucks is a site where you may make money quickly. Swagbucks has your back if you're looking for a way to make $200 quickly. Swagbucks is the granddaddy of all get paid to sites. Swagbucks is the granddaddy of all get paid to sites. You get $5 just for signing up, and then you can make Swagbucks allow you to earn money by doing simple tasks, the most prevalent of which are online surveys. You can earn up to $40 per survey by taking paid internet surveys that last no more than 15 or 20 minutes. Take 5 surveys this week and you'll be laughing all the way to the bank when you can cash in your $200 in a variety of ways. Number 3. Rakuten will give you $25 if you refer a friend. Rakuten is a cashback program that rewards you $10 when you sign up and spend at least $25 at a merchant you frequent. Not only that, but there's more. When you introduce your friends and family to the Rakuten website, you can earn commissions. They have a fantastic referral program that pays you $25 for every customer that signs up through your affiliate link. Additionally, if you enjoy shopping online, you can utilize Rakuten to make your purchases and receive cashback when those things are discounted or reduced in price. There's no excuse not to join Rakuten and get cashback on your ordinary purchases. Do you like Rakuten sales and discounts? Install the Rakuten browser extension to receive instant notifications of new deals and discounts. Number 4. On Fiverr, you can quickly earn over $200. Offering your freelancing skills on Fiverr might be a quick and easy method to get money. It's simple to sign up for Fiverr. It only takes 5 minutes to set up your services and start earning money right away. You charge $5 for your services, but you have the option to charge extra each order up to $1,500 for larger jobs. Number 5. Teaching English can help you earn more money. If you enjoy working with children and educating, you can earn $200 by interacting with young children over Skype by the end of this week. VIP Kid and Q Kids are tutoring companies located in China that employ teachers to teach English to young Chinese children. They pay $20 and $24 per hour and offer flexible work hours. Number 6. Earn money with Inbox Dollars plus a $5 welcome incentive. Inbox Dollars is a reputable firm that has been around since 2000. This fantastic startup will compensate you for watching videos of adorable kittens or cooking demonstrations. They offer a $5 sign-up incentive, and you may earn additional money by doing things like exploring the web, conducting paid online surveys, playing online games, or reading emails. So far, they've paid out $10 million to the participants. Number 7, Vindale Research will give you $2. Vindale Research is a one-of-a-kind online survey service that I'm confident you'll enjoy. When you fill out your profile, Vindale Research will offer you a $2 sign-up incentive, and you can earn up to $50 every survey. Nothing compares to that. This survey site is one of my favorites because it has a large number of survey offerings to pick from and pays in cash, unlike other organizations that use a points system. This is a fantastic method to monetize your spare time. You have the option of working from home or on the go. Number 8. Trim might help you save $200 or more on your monthly bills. Saving money is a form of earning money, if you think about it. Consider the hundreds, if not thousands, of money you waste each year on subscriptions you either don't use or don't require. Trim is a fantastic tool that may help you save money on your Comcast account, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even locate you better insurance. It's a simple approach to reintroduce $200 or more into your budget. Simply link your financial accounts to Trim and let the software handle the heavy lifting of saving money. Getting started is quick and easy, and it's 100% free. Number 9. Take online surveys for quick cash. Taking internet surveys can help you earn $200 in the long run. I understand that some survey businesses are horrible and won't help you much. However, there are legitimate and reputable survey companies that can pay you more than $200 if you put in the effort. The following are a few that I can recommend. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a legitimate survey organization that pays people to participate in paid internet surveys, test new promotional products, and participate in focus group discussions that pay even more. Joining this survey app is completely free, and you can earn up to $10 every survey. Global Test Market. Global Test Market is a reputable survey firm that has been in business since 1999. People, that's an entire decade. Since their inception, they've paid out more than $30 million. Their paid internet surveys are both entertaining and simple to complete. They pay in points, which you can exchange for PayPal cash or Amazon gift cards. And lastly, the Harris Poll Online. Harris Poll Online is a survey company that allows you to work from home and earn money. They will pay you to take online surveys and participate in focus group talks, which will pay you even more. Number 10. Check to see if any stores owe you money. Have you recently purchased things whose prices have dropped? Now is the moment to get your money back. You can collect your refunds using this cool software called Paribus. Paribus is a free tool that searches your emails for any online transactions you made at hundreds of different stores. When they discover a price drop on an item, they work tirelessly to ensure that you receive the additional funds. It may now be $20, $100, or even $200. You don't even need to be aware that the price has dropped. Once the entire process is completed, you will receive your refunds. Isn't that amazing? For more informative and educative content, follow us and subscribe to our page.